Hey y'all, so it's me Andie and I'm back with another video today, y'all. Today I'm going to execute this bomb look. This is a look that I came up with during my LUXURY Cosmetics live. I did not know I was going to come out with this look. I did not know it was going to come out this great. By the way, this is my model, Victoria. You guys can follow her on Instagram. And I'm just gonna go straight into her face. So as you guys know from my previous videos, I do use the ColourPop Brow Precision Pencil in the shade Beige Brunette. And I also utilize Tarte Shape Tape, which is one of my favorite concealers. And I did go in with a lighter concealer for her brows because I felt the need to make sure that these colors pop today. I knew that I was gonna go with a popping color, so I had to pick a concealer that was lighter than her complexion so that it can really show through. Today I am going to tap into my Stacey Marie XL, well, the Carnival XL palette. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette. I mean, of course, because it's from Stacey Marie. You guys already know it's like one of my favorite makeup artists, duh. But not only that, this palette has a variety of shades and a variety of colors. It's just one of those palettes that you must have in your kit. I'm gonna go ahead and tap into that blue, like aquamarine blue, and it's called Showboat. And as you guys can see, I indicated that there. I also tapped into a pigment. The pigment is from LUXURY Cosmetics, and that is in the pigment shade Passion Punch. When applying this pigment, I use the LUXURY Cosmetics FAQS primer. I pat that into the eyelid so that I can go ahead and put on that pink passion pigment, and I'm going to add the King Cake glitter on the top of it, which is also from LUXURY Cosmetics as well. By the way, I know you guys love discounts, so please use my discount code The Luxury Club to get your dollars off your order, sis. Like, get that discount and get it quick. When packing on this glitter, I use the Luxury Club multi-purpose glue. And this is a glue that's going to be added onto my site. So go ahead and visit my website at www.itstheluxuryclub.com to purchase your glue. It's super affordable. It's very tacky, very sticky, and it dries pretty fast. So it's perfect for lashes and for glitter. Next, I'm going to do my half wing liner. Well, half wing. I just didn't add the wing. It's just not having the wing. But I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is my favorite liner, by the way. Next, I'm going to go in with my NARS foundation, and this is the Natural Radiance foundation in the shade Aruba. Using a flat kabuki brush, it really doesn't matter what brush you're using as long as it's thick and it's kind of like a kabuki style dense flat brush. I am going to pat that on her face. Guys, I know it looks like I'm beating her face literally, but trust me, I'm really soft. Like it doesn't hurt her at all, I guarantee you. It's just that I'm moving so quickly that it seems as if like I'm hurting her, but I'm really not. Guys, I'm super gentle and I'm super sweet. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clean up her brows using the Tarte Shape Tape. I use a shade that was closer to her skin complexion so that it can go ahead and blend right in. And I'm going to use the lighter concealer from Tarte Shape Tape as well to highlight under her eyes, the bridge of her nose, her upper lip, and her chin. This is just to give her a little bit highlight to her skin. but don't mind me. So next I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm using their lighter brown shade, and I'm going to contour her cheeks and around her face. And then I went in with the Anastasia blush trio in Pink Passion. This blush makes you just want to smile all day and let people know that you are very happy with life, because you just want to look like you're happy with life. And then I also went in with my Amrezy highlight. This is a highlight that's discontinued. They don't make it anymore. So I don't know, like, I guess the next best thing to that would be maybe from the Glow Kit. But yeah, that's my favorite highlight. Now we're on to the lips. This is my eyeliner from Wet n Wild. This is a Sema Brown liner. This is a must-have liner that every makeup artist should have in their kit. It's bomb. Like, it just goes with everyone. I also glossed her lips up with the J. Leroux Cosmetics Emerald Cut Lip Gloss. And just to give the face a little bit more of a pop and just to bring it to the next level, I went ahead and added some white gold. It's just gonna take this look to the next level, you guys. It's just gonna give it some more iridescent feel, more shine, bright like a diamond. And here is the final look, you guys. Yes, honey, yes. Get into this look, sweetie. Get into it. Get into it. This was a pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and I want to do way more videos, so you guys stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye guys, see you guys next time.